Paano kung sabihin ko sa'yo na mas marami ang bibili kung mas mahal ang product mo? Now, this is an example. No? You're gonna see na the cheesesteak is $140. Now, to give you context, a typical cheesesteak is around $10 lang. So, in this case, 14 times more yung price. And it was designed that way na sobrang mahal. Alam mo bakit? Kasi para pag-uusapan sila. Okay? So, now, they realized na instead of spending it in ads, why don't we create a product na pag-uusapan ng mga tao, and in this case, instead of creating something na unique, which is a cheesesteak, na in the US, medyo common siya, why don't we just price it 10 times more? And that's what they did. Of course, if people bought this, they made us so much money kasi magkano lang naman yung cheesesteak. Pero most of all, people take a picture, rant online, and people went there just to try their cheesesteak. So in short, their product became their marketing asset. So the lesson here is, ano kaya yung pwede mong gawin sa negosyo mo? What product can you create para pag-uusapan ka ng mga tao? So because people are the best, just imagine, they are the best ads. They tell other people. My name is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.